We're back.
We're back
again.
Yeah, boy. Okay, with another whiskey fave. Okay, so this is actually a take on the whiskey sour. The actual name of this cocktail is the Ward 8 cocktail. Hello. Now, excuse me, because I don't want to misquote anything, but I'm going to give you a little history on this, all right?
Fun facts.
Okay, so it's a classic whiskey sour cocktail with a hint of grenadine. And it was, as the story goes, so we don't know for sure, but as the story goes, the Ward 8 was invented in 1898 at Boston's Locky Over Restaurants and named for the city's 8th political district, aka Ward 8, okay? And it was supposedly invented by bartender Tom Hughesian. I don't know if that's, I might be the trick.
Forgive us.
Sorry, Tom. Not that you're here with us, because if this was made in 1898, you're long gone. But my apologies to your family, okay? All right, so anywho, the actual restaurant itself closed in 2012, and the official recipe has since gone missing. So thus, all we have are these variations of the cocktail, so we're really not sure what is the original recipe. However, you can either serve this on the rocks or up, as we're about to do. And if you're gonna serve it with ice, you wanna serve it in a Collin's glass, okay? And if you are serving it up like we are, choose any cocktail or wine glass of your choosing, okay? With that, let's get into these ingredients.
Let's get into it. From your cousin from Boston.
Hey. So I'm excited about this, and listen, we're gonna have to do a couple of finagling, but judge your mama. Okay. So the recipe calls for bourbon or rye whiskey. So here's the deal. We have a little bit of rye whiskey and a little bit of corn whiskey. So we're gonna do half.
We're gonna stick to the variations that going on. Do what it do. We work with what we got.
We work with what we got. Orange juice, lemon juice, grenadine. Yeah. We have some orange slice. Let me take this top off.
And the bitters.
I don't even think we need bitters, babe. I think I just left that on there.
Ooh, child, got me out here talking loud and wrong.
That's okay though. If you want to dash away, just add a dash. I mean, they said there's variations.
No,
So.
I don't want the Boston people to come after me.
Anywho, so orange slices for garnish, maraschino cherries for garnish. Okay. Like I said, we're serving ours up because we don't dilute. You know what the Lush Talk standard is. Maximum alcohol, okay? Okay? And our shaker with ice because you gotta chill it. You gotta chill it. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So what we're about to do is we're gonna do 1 ounce of the rye whiskey and 1 ounce of our corn whiskey.
Okay.
That's how we gonna do this. Just to make sure we each get a rye experience.
All right, then. Right.
Oh boy.
Yep.
And you may or may not hear snuffleupagus or anything else.
Yeah.
It is what it is, the big dog, okay?
Rye whiskey.
Just save that for a shot later.
Yeah.
You save that for a shot later.
Yeah, Uncle Nearest dog.
Uncle Nearest is true. You listen, that brand is like it. Okay, so like I said, 1 ounce of this, which will altogether equal 2 ounces.
2 ounces, yep.
Of our whiskey.
2 ounces. Okay. Oh, child.
Oh, chow.
Yep. There you go.
3/4 ounce of lemon juice.
Lemon.
You know how we do. Someone else did the work. We just bought it.
Listen, pay for what you get. We pay for the convenience. What's that, 1?
3/4 ounce.
I don't know what that
Yeah.
is.
Oh, child. Use your eyes. That's all we do. We ain't doing real fractions. Nobody doing real fractions over here. And 3/4 ounce of orange juice.
3/4. They couldn't
Not
even
quite
say an 8.
Look, not quite 1. That's basically what they told us. Not quite 1. Now, how am I supposed to dash the grenadine?
You're not. Just.
That doesn't look like a dash. A little.
That looks
That looks more dashy. Okay, so from there we shake.
Shake it.
That's why we don't wear cheap shit. You got time to mess up your clothes. Okay.
Cold.
I think mine look a little pink because I really you told me to dash, and I can't really dash the grenadine. My bad, bro. I did my best. So, in here,
how are we going to do that?
I don't know. We're going to take us a little, oh Lord. Oh God.
Maybe we should put the orange in first.
I should have put the orange in first. I'm too scared to put the listen, when you do this at the maraschino chair, we ain't doing all that. It was high risk just putting the, you want to try it?
Yeah, I want
to try it. Okay, we're going to try it. Oh my God.
I might have to bob a little bit.
Come on down. Sorry, we have our mascot. And she's always available. Ain't but 3 of them here. Ain't but 3 of them. Oh yeah, I'm not even worried about the toothpick. Oh Lord, Jesus.
I made it. Mama, I made it.
I didn't need a pre-taste, but it was about to be a catastrophe.
All right, well, I'm bobbing.
All right, we're gonna taste.
Yes.
This must be one of Baltimore.
Not
Baltimore.
Jesus.
Boston major winter storms. The ones that's like covered in door frames and stuff. I'll let you go first.
Okay, sure. Why not? All right, listen, folks. It's different. Now, keep in mind, we were supposed to do 2 even ounces of the rye whiskey, and we did 1 of each. Okay, because that's what we had. Okay. Because how are we both going to evaluate the cocktail if one of us got all the rye whiskey?
Even playing field.
So, that aside.
It just kind of tastes bitter.
It's like a warm
Whatever that. Well, no, hold on now. So
It's
now,
pretty.
Let me go back to my, hold on. Let me pull myself back. Let me try to do this accurately. So the notes that were given, this is a takeoff of whiskey sour. This is actually that in terms of a sour. No? Okay, she disagrees with me.
I have better whiskey sour.
No. I'm not saying quality. I'm just saying it is
It's a take on it.
On a whiskey
I guess
sour.
the elements, yeah, but
I didn't say it was a whiskey sour. So
okay, all right, well, fair. I'll let you go.
so with that being said, it's giving me that. It is sour. It's sour, guys. It's giving. It feels like an 8th grader made this drink.
Wow.
Like if they could have wished for what they'll be able to drink when they're an adult, that's what this tastes like.
Oh my.
So I'm gonna be a little bit harsh. This is probably a 2.5 to a 3 to me.
Oh my. A 2.5.
Now I want to be clear. I leave nothing unturned. So will this be, well, I leave almost nothing unturned because that pickleback cocktail definitely got tossed in the drain, okay? But I will finish this. I will complete this particular cocktail. But this is not it for me. It is not it. I appreciate the history. I appreciate the attempt at creativity, even if it was adolescent. I'm gonna leave it to you. Go ahead.
So presentation, I would definitely give this a 10, but it's misleading because I think I'm gonna get tropical vibes. You know what I'm saying, with the orange and the cherry. But let's be for real. Let's cut to the chase.
if you can breathe. It's just dry. She's finna die. She's literally finna die. It's dry. It's dry as a bad winter storm. Dry.
Now, is it drier than the Brooklyn cocktail?
It's one step up from a dirty martini.
God damn, that's harsh.
It's dry. Now, I will drink it though because you do get that hint of the citrus and whatnot, which kind of gives it for me. And then, you know, the orange and, you know, nonetheless, it's dry. It's on the drier side because looking at it definitely is misleading. You think that you're about to get a nice sweet little cocktail, island vibes, and when you drink it, you're back in up north during the wintertime.
For me, anything that has grenadine, usually to me, that's like, oh, it's got this sweet. Or like a hint of sweetness.
Something a hint of sweet, yeah. And you're not getting that. You're not. The only thing you get for the grenadine is the color.
Now, mind you, it did say a dash. It did say a dash of the
and we were generous, and
we
helped.
tried to dash it as much as possible. So
I'm gonna give this
what's your final score, child?
I'm gonna give this a 3.
What did
Maybe
I say? 2.5. I said 2.5 to 3. All right. So listen, here's the deal. We need y'all to try this because are we being too harsh? Like, are we just really going into these people that made this man from 1898 made this thing? And well, we don't even know this is his original recipe, so I'm not even going in on him.
No,
we don't know what variation of this cocktail this is.
Right.
So I'm gonna relinquish him from
this variation. We will include where we got this from, but this variation.
It just is lacking.
It's misleading too, visually.
So what I would ask is that y'all try this. That you comment below because we just want to know if we are just being overly just like critical. Because sometimes we can do that, right? We have a certain perspective and maybe we're being overly critical here.
Yeah.
Let us know because it's confuddled.
Befuddled. All that.
It ain't it. But, you know, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell.
And let us know any thoughts and prayers. And also, on top of that, yeah, because I need prayer right now. But let us know, like, any type of, like, things that we should do, some crazy, wacky stuff. Just let us know. We're open to it, as long as it's stuff, like, not like black licorice.
Absolutely. Do not put Jägermeister on that list. I will reach through this hair vessel of foam.
Yeah. What's it called? The bombs? The
Irish. Okay, so Irish car bombs are not with Jägermeister though.
Okay. Well, as long as they're not Jägermeister.
That's a whole nother story.
Yeah. But anyway, but nonetheless, leave comments, like, subscribe.
That might be a future St. Patty's Day episode.
And just let us know your thoughts and what else that we should try that, or maybe you do this and say, well, maybe if we add this or add that, it'd be better. Listen, just let us know. We'll try it. We'll do a take 2, maybe a 3, maybe a 4. Just let us know.
Whoa. At least a take 2.
Okay, 2.
So, anywho, we'll be back.
Bye.
Bye.
Do, do, do.